Choosing the right window replacement expert for your West Jordan home is essential for a successful project that improves energy efficiency, enhances curb appeal, and adds value to your property. While there are many options to choose from, not all services offer the same level of expertise, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Here's a guide to the top qualities you should look for when selecting a local window replacement expert in West Jordan. Experience and expertise in window replacement. The best window replacement companies are those with years of experience and a proven track record of successful projects. Experienced professionals are well versed in the technical aspects of window replacement, from removing old windows to installing new, energy-efficient models. They also understand the specific needs of West Jordan homes, considering the area's climate and architectural styles. Choosing an experienced expert means you're more likely to receive high-quality service and durable, well-installed windows. Questions to ask. How long have you been in the window replacement business? Have you worked on homes similar to mine in West Jordan? Local knowledge and reputation. A local company with a strong reputation in the West Jordan community is a significant asset. Local experts are more familiar with the area's building codes and climate-related concerns, ensuring your windows are suited for Utah's variable weather. Additionally, they are more accountable to the community and will prioritize customer satisfaction to maintain their local standing. To verify a company's reputation, check online reviews on platforms like Google or Yelp and ask for local references. Questions to ask. Do you have customer reviews or references in the West Jordan area? How have you handled past projects in this community? Quality of products. Offered high-quality windows are essential for energy efficiency, durability, and appearance. A reputable window replacement expert will offer a selection of high-quality brands and products to fit different budgets and needs. Look for companies that provide windows with features such as low-E glass, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames, all of which help reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. The best companies will guide you through their product selection, explaining the benefits of each type of window. Questions to ask. What brands and types of windows do you offer? Do your windows come with energy-efficient features and warranties? Transparency in pricing. Clear and transparent pricing is essential for a smooth window replacement process. The best window replacement experts provide detailed, itemized quotes that cover all costs, including materials, labor, and any additional fees. Avoid companies that offer vague estimates or pressure you into quick decisions without providing full details. A reputable expert will answer any questions you have about pricing and help you understand the investment you're making in your home. Questions to ask. Can you provide a detailed quote for the replacement project? Are there any additional fees or charges I should expect? Professionalism and communication. Communication is key in any home improvement project. Choose a company that communicates clearly and professionally, from the initial consultation to the final walkthrough. Reliable experts will keep you informed throughout the process, answer your questions, and ensure you feel confident in your choices. Look for companies that respond promptly to calls or emails and treat you with respect. These qualities indicate a commitment to customer satisfaction. Questions to ask. Who will be my main point of contact during the project? How will you keep me updated on the project's progress? Licensing and insurance. A professional window replacement expert should be fully licensed and insured. Licensing means that the company meets local and state requirements, while insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or damages during the project. Choosing a licensed and insured contractor offers peace of mind, knowing your home and investment are protected. Questions to ask. Are you licensed and insured in West Jordan? Can you provide proof of insurance? Warranties and guarantees. Reputable window replacement experts stand by their work and offer warranties on both the products and the installation itself. A warranty demonstrates that the company has confidence in its materials and workmanship. Before signing a contract, review the warranty terms carefully to understand what's covered and for how long. The best companies offer guarantees that protect you in case of issues after installation. Questions to ask. What kind of warranty do you offer on your windows and installation? How do you handle warranty claims if issues arise? Conclusion. Selecting the right window replacement expert in West Jordan requires careful consideration. Look for a company with experience, a strong local reputation, high-quality products, transparent pricing, and excellent communication. Don't forget to verify licensing and insurance, and make sure they offer warranties to protect your investment. By choosing a qualified and reputable expert, you can enjoy beautifully installed windows that enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. Take the time to research and ask the right questions. You'll be rewarded with a smoother, more satisfying window replacement experience.